You don't need 5 years to change your life, you need 7 days. Because in 1 week, I left the military, moved to Thailand, built a new routine, met new people, and started over. That wasn't over months, that was 7 days. Most people stay stuck for years, overthinking, waiting, and planning. I did the opposite. I moved fast with intention, and that's what changed everything. 4 years in the military, building structure, routine, security, and like most people, I could have stayed. Planned a little bit longer, waited a little more, told myself I needed to be sure. But the truth is, the longer you wait, the harder it is to move. So I made that decision. No overthinking, no backup plan, just action. I spoke to people, I made connections, asked questions. Within 2 days, I found a place. Then I built structure, fast. Gym, content, work, repeat. You don't find clarity first, you create it through action. I bought a bike without knowing how to ride and just figured it out along the way. I went on a date, I put myself in new environments, showed up to an expat networking meetup, and surrounded myself with people building, moving, and creating momentum in their own lives. And most importantly, I picked up the camera. Most people don't fail because they're not capable. It's because they move too slow. They wait for everything to align, wait for certainty, wait for confidence, wait for the right moment, but the truth is, speed creates all three. You don't need more time, you need more action, because the life that you want is built faster than you think. And if you're watching this and you want to change your life but don't know where to start, I've put together a free reset guide. It shows you exactly how to build confidence, stay consistent in the gym, develop better habits, and build real discipline so you can actually follow through and create the life that you want. If this sounds something you're interested in, go down in the description below and click on the first link.